Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into FastBoot mode. So to get started, we'll need to power it off, so hold power key and volume up at the same time, or just press both of them. There we go. Brings up this menu right here, so you want to select power off. And once the device turns off, you will then want to hold power key and the volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode. So from here, or actually it looks like it's a FastBoot mode actually, so my bad. So anyway, from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate in order to select, wait, so this is FastBoot mode. There is also another FastBoot mode, it would look like it. So I guess I'm just gonna keep on going with this. So you can try this as a FastBoot mode, but if this doesn't seem to work, you can then choose recovery mode, confirm it, because in recovery mode we also have an access to FastBoot mode as well. Now once you see the Android with no command, hold the power key and press volume up once. And in here, again using volume keys, simply scroll down to enter FastBoot, and there we go, there's I guess another FastBoot mode. And once you're done with this, you want to leave this mode. Again, simply, again using volume keys, select, and there we go, reboot system now, which simply brings us back to Android once you confirm it with power key. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.